Hey baddies, your girl's doing something pretty exciting in a couple days. Making a trip somewhere to collab with someone really special. The only hint you're getting is that she's another baddie on here. So leave your guesses. I'm practicing a makeup look for it. I can't really tell you what because I don't want to give it away fully. Did this look a couple months back. Thankfully made a TikTok of it, so like gonna go watch the tutorial for that. I got my brows with Natasha concealer, then I'm using this NYX brow pen to like fill in the little gaps here. Mario Midnight's palette. Believe it or not, this is actually different from what I normally do. Finally not gonna do a wing liner. Is this shade right here on the outer edge in this inner corner part for halo eye. So I'm gonna leave this center part pretty open. We're gonna take this blue color. This should really give away where I'm going. And just keep it a little bit more concentrated and not like blended super out. A good chance I'm practicing this look and then gonna do something so basic the day of, but if not, I'll be fresh on my skills. Go back in with the first shade and blend the very edges of that out. The black shade on an angled brush, and I'm gonna line the edges out here, add some more depth at the lash line, then kind of blend it out. Like this part makes the entire eye look, everything just kind of blends together. Concealer on my finger, I'm just tapping through the center to kind of open this middle space back up. Looks weird until we add the shimmer. Then the star of the show is this light blue pearlescent shimmer. You tap this in your blank space in here. I'm gonna bring this up above my crease a little bit so it's like fully blended and showing that center part. And blend that blue shade back in there a little bit and we're gonna move on. Super dark blue Kosas liner that, oh yeah, that's gonna go perfectly in my waterline. I have this Makeup Forever pigment and I think I need to put it over top, please. Oh bitch, yes. The House Labs mascara truly works wonders. This is one coat and my lashes look bomb. The One Size Glow Primer. I don't have a lot of skincare on, it's like all absorbed, and we'll see if it doesn't pill on me this time. I've used it, it's pilled up, so if that happens, we know it's just her. I've used these lashes before, but since they're so spiky, I feel like it might match the wispy look, so we're gonna try. Okay, it makes the most subtle difference, which I love. I really like how my natural lashes look, so I didn't want to add anything to like take away. Eve Thursday, and I'm going somewhere hot and desert type of vibe. Really hope this is a good shade match because that looks a little light. Okay, yeah, no, that's cute. I want to keep this actually light coverage because the eyes are like the main focus. Tomorrow's like my prep day before I start packing. I have to find shoes to go with my outfit because the ones I wore last time were not it. I might have better luck in the area I'm going to, so I might wait, we'll see. Tomorrow's actually a really exciting day. I'm getting my makeup done by the Estee Lauder global makeup artists. We're doing like a little collab. I'm just modeling for her. So excited. I love getting my makeup done. I'm going to vlog that process because I always say I'm gonna do and I never do, but this time I'm really going to be a little bit bronzier than I normally am. Westman Atelier Contour. This is bronzer actually. This is the shade Truffle. These blend out so nicely and like they're one of the few stick products that don't pick up your foundation. Do you like this type of eye look on me more or do we like my wing? Never not do a winged eyeliner, so this is like different for me, but I love it. Thursday night and I'm gonna have like Fridays like a me chill shopping type of day. Might meet up with the girl I'm seeing. We'll see. I don't know how busy she is. I think I might wait and go shopping for my shoes there because that area is pretty bougie. Pilling. Oh my god, see, like you can barely tell, but the One Size is pilling. I really want to like that primer, but it just, I don't think it's malapproved. I'm sorry, One Size, I usually love you. I'm gonna layer more though. I put it straight on like my brush, so I'm not risking picking anything up. Absolutely love the House Labs Glossy Blush Sticks. This is the shade Glassy Hibiscus, and it's the perfect neutral pink blushy shade. It was raining my entire birthday weekend, and I was like low-key just sleeping. I feel like this is also like gonna be like my birthday trip. I always usually do one. Really, because we're not celebrating me, obviously, but it'll still be like a fun adventure. Like this. Okay. Don't like to use a super bright concealer because it kind of ruins the whole natural effect. Get into the skin up close though. That looks gorgeous. This is my normal skin complexion and I feel like me again. I love having a little bit of color. e.l.f. Halo Glow to set first. This brush from under my bed the other day and I'm so happy I have it again. It's like the perfect powder brush. For sure gonna use my YSL bronzer. She is just trusty dusty, not musty. Long lasting makeup is just setting everything you did with powder. Get your face from not being able to like wipe off and transfer everywhere. This is the Kosas blush in Euphoria. I absolutely love these. A loose powder to go in and bake and just really set and brighten those under eyes. This transition shade right in the same places, just kind of replicate it under. Kind of leaving this bottom space open. The black really close, okay? I don't want this to be overly smoky, but I want it to match. This is what blends the outer edges together here. My voice keeps cracking. Am I going through puberty? Same shimmer right under. You'll barely be able to see this, but it's the thought that counts. Blue on the outer and inner half of the waterline. I think I want it all the way in, actually. I really like how that's like bitching it up. Makeup Forever lip liner in Anywhere Caffeine. I love this shade. Huda She's Flirty Gloss. This dark blue mascara on the bottom. I feel like that will be so slay. Oh yeah, this glam is good. Oddly, I feel like my base looks so good and I barely use any foundation products, so I'm writing that down. So excited for you guys to see who I'm meeting up with. It will not disappoint. Anyways, love you bad bitches. Hope this helps. Mwah.